Hey everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews, and today we are reviewing this screwdriver set. It's a 37-piece screwdriver kit, and I got this for when I'm working on building computers and more tedious stuff like that. This kit looked really appealing to me. You know, it's just a small little grip and handle, but look at all these different bits you get. That is really nice. So I'll have a link in the video description where you guys can find this. Oh, look at that. It opens up. Look at this. Wow, it rotates. You just press them down and you're good to go. Open it back up. Take out your little handle here, pick the size you need, put it in, and you're good to go. Yep, this kit is going to work perfectly for what I want to do. Wow, yeah, I'm very, very happy with this kit. You get all kinds of different styles here. I don't know if the camera's going to pick them all up, but you get all these styles. Yep, this kit gets a 10 out of 10. Very nice, very happy, and it's a good price, which is why I got it in the first place. Alright guys, I hope this helps you decide if this is something you want. Let's see, I don't think we got the handle in right. Thank you guys for watching.